Hey, what's up guys? I'm Joe Chavez. Welcome to MachineStation, where we buy, sell, and trade used CNC machinery of all kinds. Today we have a Daewoo Puma 250L. Got the long travel to see, Fanuc control, really clean machine inside and out. We got a short program for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and list all the specs and dimensions down for you as always. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one? So we have the Fanuc 18T control, guys. Really clean. The machine is sitting on 4x4s, that's why it seems to be shaking. Gonna do a full, we'll actually have the space to do a full body outro on this one. Comes with the chip conveyor, foot pedals down there below. Doesn't appear that this machine comes with a lot of tooling. Got the RRS 232 cable right in here. Get a zoom in on the chip conveyor. Looks like machine does come with all the leveling pads. Have a short program running for you guys. Once I open up this door, the alarm's going to be showing, so if I panel back here, you'll see the alarm. There you have it, guys. That's the Daewoo Puma 250L. If I missed anything, you guys want to see something more in depth, pictures, photos, videos, please feel free to give me a call, 909-919-9600, or visit us at the website, www.machinestation.us, guys. If you enjoyed the video, you like this machine, feel free to drop a comment, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.